Let's determine the dimensions of our shape using volume if that shape is triangular. So I'm going to start off by pointing out that we are going to start with our area. Now, the reason is we're making 3D triangles like this, not like a pyramid where it all has one point at the top. Okay? Since we're doing it this way, all it is the area of the front times the depth. Okay? So we need to start with the area. Now if you look at my example, it's in the middle. I'll show you with the mouse. The area equals half the base times the height. So here the base is the bottom. Okay? So area is 1/2. 6 times 4. It's 1/2 of 24. The area for this example would be 12 feet. Okay? Using that, we can first set up our total shape. Okay? Because I know some of us have shapes that are broken up like this. So I know some of us have chosen shapes that look kind of like this, and if that's the case, you would break it down into 3 shapes, and you would do the volume of a cube, and then the volume of 2 triangles. Okay, but for right now, I'm just going to focus on a single triangle. So the volume is 170 centimeters cubed. What I'm going to do to make my life easy is I'm going to first adjust my formula. The volume will equal half the base times the height times the depth. Now what I would start off by doing is choosing a dimension that you want to keep. Now mind you, the height is going to be the same in all 3 of these because your shape will be the same height throughout. Okay, so I'm going to decide that the height is 10 inches. My volume is 170 inches cubed. 1/2 base times 10 inches times the depth. Okay, so now I'm going to multiply all my dimensions out. Wait, actually, we're going to need to invent one more of these dimensions. So let's say the depth is 3 inches. Okay, so now I got 1/2 times 10 times 3. What you could do, you can actually just multiply these together. 170 inches cubed equals 1/2 times 10 is 5, times 3 is 15 base inches squared. Now I'm going to divide out 15 inches squared and 15 inches squared. And this is going to eliminate the numbers and the units here. Okay? So I get out my calculator, and you'll see 170 divided by 15, and once you divide these out, it's going to equal 11.3. 11.3, let's see, get rid of 2 inches, so there's still 1 inch. Inches equals the base. So the base, we know, is 11.3 inches. Okay? Now, if I were to create all 3 of these, I would start by deciding how much volume you want to be in the cube and how much volume you want to be in the triangles. Okay? Because this is going to be a multi-step process, and if you need to, you can redesign your shape. I'm going to talk about this in a different video.